welcome back. Thank you for clicking on this video. If you are new here, please subscribe, like and share to your friends. Yes, I'm back for you and I'm coming with the very interesting video. Yes, muraho neza, ndabakiriye mwese. Nimba uri mushyashya hano, ndakwakiriye, urakaza neza. Ndagushishikariza gukora aho hasi hari akanoza k'umutuku kanditseho subscribe cyangwa se s'abonner, ugakandaho ukinjira mu muryango w'abantu bakurikira Milo's Gwa. And as I told you in the beginning, I come with very interesting video. Today video we are going to learn Kinyarwanda, also English. Video y'uyu munsi tugiye kwiga Ikinyarwanda ndetse n'Icyongereza. Uzi Ikinyarwanda uri bumenye Icyongereza. If you know English, you will learn very quick Kinyarwanda. What you are going to learn is basic. Let's start. Ibyo tugiye kwiga ni ibintu umuntu aheraho akimenya Icyongereza. Reka dukomeze. Hello, muraho. How are you? Amakuru yanyu. Are you good? Umeze neza? My name is. Amazina yanjye ni. I'm happy. Ndishimye. I'm happy. Ndishimye. Where are you coming from? Ukomoka hehe. I'm from Rwanda. Homoka mu Rwanda. I live in Kigali. Ntuye i Kigali. I'm single. Ndi ingaragu. I'm hungry. Ndashonje. Yes. Yego. No. Hoya. I'm sorry. Mbabarira. I don't know. Ntago mbizi. I don't understand. Ntago mbyumva. No problem. Nta kibazo. Have a nice day. Ugire umunsi mwiza. I want to eat. Ndashaka kurya. What do you like? Ukunda iki? Water. Amazi. Left. Ibumoso. Right. Iburyo. I walk. Ndakora. Why? Kubera iki? I'm an entrepreneur. Ndikorera cyangwa se ndi rwiyemeza mirimo. I'm going to town. Ngiye mu mujyi. I drive a car. Ntwara imodoka. I have a house. Mfite inzu. in village, mu cyaro. What can I do for you? Niki nagufasha? Niki nagufasha? Kids, abana. Man, umugabo. Woman, umugore. Girl, umukobwa. Boy, umuhungu. A baby, uruhinja. Money, amafaranga. Money, amafaranga. Flowers, indabo. Indabo, indabo. Food, ibiryo. Food, ibiryo. Thank you, thank you. Murakoze, murakoze. So we are at the end of our video. Mwakoze cyane gukurikira kugeza ku musozo. Ntiwibagirwe kwandika hasi ahatangirwa ibitekerezo uko wabibonye ndetse n'icyo twakongeramo. Murakoze. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Don't forget to comment down below and tell us what else we can add or improve. You are so amazing. Thank you. And welcome back to the next video. Ciao.